Welcome to our in-depth Master Affiliate Profits review. Today, we're diving into whether MAP is the future of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be challenging. Juggling multiple tools, generating traffic, and earning consistent commissions are common struggles. Many find affiliate marketing too complex or the market too saturated. Let's see if MAP offers a solution to these issues. Master Affiliate Profits, or MAP, emerges as a potential game changer, simplifying your path to recurring commissions. In this MAP review video, we'll give you a comprehensive overview of the Master Affiliate Profit system, detailing its features and benefits. What exactly is Master Affiliate Profits? MAP is a complete all-in-one platform simplifying affiliate marketing with a perpetual marketing system. Our MAP analysis reveals a done-for-you all-in-one platform designed for a streamlined, low-hurdles, high-tech approach to affiliate marketing. MAP tackles common challenges like complex funnels, disjointed systems, and inconsistent traffic generation. MAP offers an educational and automated approach to building sustainable, passive income through recurring commissions. Let's explore the key features of MAP, including its unique perpetual commission model, comprehensive education elements, and frictionless enrollment. The one-link affiliate marketing concept and continuous commission model means easy marketing and continued leads and commissions over time. MAP offers frictionless enrollment and free foundational affiliate marketing training, lowering barriers for both newcomers and experienced marketers. Enjoy automation integrations with email services and a mobile responsive design for managing campaigns on the go. Let's dive deeper into how MAP works, simplifying your workflow and reducing the learning curve. MAP centralizes your marketing efforts with easy-to-handle systems and streamlined affiliate marketing process. Platinum members benefit from a traffic distribution system, funneling targeted visitors directly to affiliate links. MAP fosters a thriving community for support, insights, and motivation, critical for affiliate marketing success. It's crucial to have realistic expectations. Affiliate marketing remains performance-based. No system guarantees success without effort. Your earnings depend on your active participation and consistent effort in driving leads. MAP is not a magic shortcut, but a well-structured framework to empower affiliate marketers and set them up for success. Your earning potential depends on your ability to drive leads and effectively convert them into paying customers. A few factors to consider when you're thinking about joining MAP. The Platinum membership level might be a significant investment for beginners, but the price is justified. MAP's advanced tools and education modules require extra time effort for newbies to grasp and apply. Let's recap some important points about Master Affiliate Profits as part of our MAP review. MAP provides a streamlined platform for learning affiliate marketing and generating leads with its comprehensive training. The perpetual commissions and one-link affiliate marketing model offer a potential lifetime revenue stream, not just one-time payouts. Lower entry barriers and free foundational training enable a diverse audience to start their affiliate marketing journey without risk. Is Master Affiliate Profits right for you? Consider your needs and dedication to affiliate marketing success. Here's a recap of what we've covered in our Master Affiliate Profits review. Your decision should be based on your specific needs and how much effort you're willing to put into the system. MAP is the future of affiliate marketing. Learn more about Master Affiliate Profits and get started today to potentially build your affiliate marketing success. Sign up for your free system account. Click the link below. Instant success. foryou.com/map. For full transparency, here are some disclaimers for you. Earnings disclaimer. Results are not typical and can vary depending on your effort. Affiliate disclaimer. We earn from qualifying purchases. General disclaimer. All opinions expressed in this video are our own.